Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. What I want to do in this video is show you what I do at the beginning of every week, weekly prep. I've got a 4-chart layout here. You can see I have this orange dotted line, level W open. This is the weekly open. We need to mark up the weekly open. And if you go over here to this drawing, new drawings replicated to all charts. Click that so that we replicate the drawing onto the other charts. Okay, multi-chart layout, different time frames. So I'm going to open up this one here. This is the daily chart. The reason why we mark up the weekly open is if we go to the weekly chart here, you'll find that, let's go to the euro dollar. The market tends to establish a trend for the week. For example, if you marked up this weekly open, generally by Tuesday, this is starting to trend. What you're going to find though on Monday is that smart money will manipulate the markets. Okay, so they might take it in the opposite direction to trap traders, in this case to trap them long. Okay, or if there's short traders from Friday, they're going to do a stop run, take out stops, gives them liquidity so that then they can trade the market in the direction where they want to take it. So we want to get into these trends early in the week, mark up the weekly open, we know where we are, and it just gives us an edge in the market. I'll go down to the daily. It's Monday, it's first thing. So what I do is I run through my currency pairs, stuff that I'm trading. I've got Bitcoin in here, I've got the NASDAQ down here, US 100, gold. I've just set this up. I've called it FX pairs, but I should rename it. I know what this is. Okay, it's favorite pairs to trade. Come in on the daily. It's Monday morning. You can start from the top, work your way down, and just place this horizontal ray here. What I've done is I've colored it and saved it as my level W open, weekly open. Very easy thing to do. If it's green, place it under. If it's red, place it above. That's it. So right under there, done. Next one. I've actually done these, but yeah, red above and green under. Red above, green under. That's the first step. The second thing to do is to run through and mark up your levels. So we go out, 4-chart layout, go to the top of the list. At the moment we've got the Aussie Swissy open, and we'll go to the 4-hour chart. In this case it's a downtrend. We can see lower lows, lower highs. I'm going to go for the break of structure in the trend, really here. Call that BOS. So we can see we've got a lower low here. Prior to this break, we're looking for accumulation or distribution levels. Right? So we've got this range here. Okay, you can mark that up by, if it's a red break, bearish trend, go back to the last green candle and mark it up from the high to the low. This is on a 4-hour chart. Essentially what we're looking for is in a trend where the market trades back into support or resistance. In this case it's bearish, so it trades back up into this level here. So this is a potential sell opportunity if the rest of the charts stack up. So let's just have a look and see what we've got here. Alright, so we've got lower lows, lower highs on the daily. Bring in our trend channel. Okay, the trend channel is telling us that it's moved from a bullish trend here. Okay, so we're trading in the cloud now and we're bearish. Lower highs, lower lows, so the daily's bearish, 4 hours bearish. Okay, so we can look for an opportunity here. Australian dollar, Swiss franc, so we've got this pullback into the mean. Okay, so we're always looking for where the market retraces back into the mean here. Okay, so, and we mark that up, previous level. Potential opportunity for a sell when this rolls over. Okay, so or if it rolls over. Okay, so what we can do then is we open this up on a 2-chart layout. We go back to our strategy. So we've got the 30-minute under. Right, we can see how this is trading into this 4-hour order block here. We've got a few things going on. All right, so we could mark this up as a pair that we might look to trade. We're looking for a couple of things here. Firstly, this order block on the 4-hour. We've also got a weekly and a daily. It's key levels here. And the other thing we're looking for is this chart pattern where we see relative equal highs. We can see that forming here. Market, well, after the market's traded down, trapping traders short. Okay, comes back up and it creates this range, building liquidity above, or above and below. But we're going to find that if smart money wants to short this, then they're going to take the market back into this liquidity pool through here, above this range. So we've got stop losses set up all through here that they'll tap into. Now, if you want to be aggressive, this could be a short. As soon as we see this trade to the downside, and if it gives us, see this candle here, let me just open this up. I'll show you what we're looking for here. I'll just open up the 30-minute. The other thing to notice as well, this is a monthly level here. Okay, so we've got a combination of a daily, a weekly, and a monthly. It's trading back into, and so this is a big level. Now, what we want to see is a red triangle, similar to this one. Got a green break triangle, but what we want to see is this trades down, and then we get a break of this, and we get a red triangle forming. All right, that could be a cue to short it if we see this break into our cloud like it did here and then break out of the cloud. Okay, so we're looking for the 30-minute break out of the cloud, bearish, and we're looking for the red triangle. That's a combination of these two things that we're looking for. So what I might do with this is on the trend channel here, I'm going to add a 3-minute alert once per bar. It's a 3-minute time frame, as you can see top left here, and I want the breakout. Right, so if we get a red breakout to the downside, I could be interested in shorting this, given that we're trading into this big level here. All right, so that's a potential. So what I'll do is I'll red alert that. So coming back out again, see this orange colored shaded zone, or this brown shaded zone. If I go back out to my 4 charts, it's the 4-hour pullback that we're looking for the opportunity. So we mark it up here, and this is a point of interest, this level here. So it's marked up on all the charts. So if we click this down here, you see it transfers the drawings onto all the charts. So I'm really interested in this potential setup. We've got a bearish. Now I'm just waiting for the go ahead or the setup on the lower time frame. Hope that makes sense. Right, so this is the next part of the journey. All right, we mark up these 4-hour levels here. I just went and had a coffee, just come back into the chart. We can see a red candle starting to form here. So let's just go out and have a look and see what we've got. Okay, you might want to take note. Also, we have this red dot on the 30-minute chart. These are generally quite a good signal. Every time we've seen this, you know, if your stop loss is out of the way, I mean stop above, generally we get a nice outcome with these on the 30-minute. Look at this one, for example. Really nice signals. These are our dots, and that one continued on. This is where you get your risk reward and some of these decent runs. So we've got the dot here. It's traded further back, but yeah, I mean, could be an opportunity shaping up here. I quite like what I'm seeing. You know, we get momentum to the downside as I'm speaking. Don't FOMO in. Aussie Swissy. In any case, guys, I'll wrap up the video here. If you haven't already, join our Discord group. It's free to join. The link's below the video in the description. A lot of free content in there. Really great value if you're interested in trading Forex or crypto. And of course, jump on board. Go to my website. It's tradingwithanthony.com. $19.95 a month, and be part of our VIP group. With that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.